First things first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Now, have you ever wondered what happens when a fashion model swaps the runway for the wild world of bounty hunting? Enter Keira Knightley in the 2005 film Domino, a story spun from the extraordinary life of Domino Harvey. Knightley trades her elegance for a gun, transforming from a model to a fierce bounty hunter. This March 1st, you can watch her in action for free on your favorite streaming platform. The film, directed by the late Tony Scott, features a star-studded cast. Mickey Rourke, Edgar Ramirez, Delroy Lindo, and more join Knightley in this wild ride. Based on true events, it's a tale of a woman who chose a life less ordinary. Harvey's journey began when she left modeling behind under the tutelage of Ed Mosby, played by Work. She learned the tricks of the trade. Teaming up with Chaco, they became an unstoppable duo. However, a twist of fate led them into a dangerous conspiracy. Despite its critical mauling, Domino has its fans. Critics called it over-dramatized, but audiences saw something different. And this is, it bombed at the box office, yet the film's gritty action might just surprise you now. Knightley, known for her role in Pirates of the Caribbean, has since found success in the action genre. Her performance in Netflix's Black Doves earned critical acclaim and a Golden Globe nod. It seems she's found her stride in the world of espionage and thrillers and so why not give Domino a chance? After all, who doesn't love a good underdog story? Just remember, in the world of bounty hunting, sometimes the runway is a minefield. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.